Okay, another example for case 3 is having cosine raised to 4x dx. Ito, yung first example natin is cosine squared na siya. So, what if it is not automatically cosine squared? So, ang gagawin natin na is to express this cosine to the fourth of x into cosine squared. So, in this case, you'll have cosine squared of x. Then, sabi nga, para makakuha natin kung anong proper exponent yan, you're just going to divide it by 2. So, 4 divided 2 is 2. Then, makikita natin 2 times 2, you have 4. Okay? Then, afterwards, tandaan natin, ang cosine squared is equal to 1 plus cosine 2 of x all over 2. Then, naka-square po yan, don't forget. Ayan. Then, you'll have 1 plus cosine 2x over 2 quantity squared. So, para mas madali natin manipulate ito, i-distribute natin yung exponent. Isa sa numerator, 1 plus cosine 2x na naka-squared. Isa naman sa denominator na 2 squared. So, you have dx. So, after this, pwede nating gamitin yung rule ng algebra na square of binomial. Let's say you have a plus b squared will have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, ito po yun. Diba? So, i-square natin yung first and last term, yung nasa gitna, 2 times a and b. So, dito, ang a natin representing 1, and then yung b natin is cosine 2x. So, therefore, ang gagawin lang po natin dito ay integral of 1 squared plus, you have 2 times 1 times cosine of 2x, then plus, yung cosine of 2x na naka-squared, then, multiplied by dx. Ito yan. Then, yung sa baba naman is simply 2 squared. That will be 4. Okay. Para mas ma-simplify pa natin siya, yung over 4 ay ilabas na natin. Magiging 1/4 na siya. So, one-liner na lang yung numerator na lang. Tapos, gawin natin, you have 1 squared, edi 1 yan. Then, plus 2 times 1 times cosine 2x. That will be 2 cosine of 2x. And ito naman ay cosine squared of 2x multiplied by dx. Okay, so yung over 4, nilabas na natin siya, naging 1/4. So, simplify it further. So, rewrite natin si 1/4 integral, i-distribute na natin si 1/4 at si dx. So, 1/4 times dx times 1, so magiging 1/4 dx na lang siya. Kasi ito naman, again, yung 1/4 pa rin, distribute natin, integral of 2 cosine 2x, tapos yung dx natin, ito naman yun. Itong portion naman ito, you have still 1/4, so rewrite natin, 1/4 cosine squared of 2x, tapos ito, times dx, ayan. Pag-iwahiwalay na natin sila. Naka-distribute din yung 1/4, kasi yung 1/4, diba, all over 4 kasi sila lahat. Okay? Now, before integrating this, ito ay gawin muna natin na ready to integrate. So, in this case, hindi pa siya ready, but remember kung ano yung angle, yun yung ilalat natin na u. So, dito, para sila, hindi kasi natin marirekta yan. So, ang u natin, that will be 2x, at ang derivative natin dyan is 2 dx. So, kung papalitan natin, ito, rewrite uli natin. That will be 1/4 integral of dx